So Kieran, first of all, what are you up to over here?
I am just sewing on some raindrop beads onto these hats. So they're going to be worn on the day and to represent raindrops.
Fantastic. Are you wearing one yourself?
I am not. But I wish I was, because they're actually quite sweet. But I'll be just, in terms of crew, I'll be just dressed up in my own blacks for the day, just to make sure everything goes smoothly.
Right.
So it's not the worst. But these are good costumes. Hopefully they're part of the Umbrella Men. And I think they're going to be quite enjoyable to wear.
And can you tell us anything about the Umbrella Man, or is that a trade secret?
They're just like literally made out of willow, and they've got foam on top, and then they've got a nice yellow fabric on top of that, and they're going to be painted by Orla. And they're just going to literally have little beads put on it, so it looks like raindrops are falling off it as well.
Okay, fantastic.
Yeah, nice.
Ladies, you're doing some plaiting here. Can you tell us what's going on?
We are braiding raffia, which is a straw-like material to make wings for the voodoo stilt walkers.
Fantastic.
And which hopefully they'll look well. They'll look very good once they're all done. Pile here of already made rings, so.
Okay. And thank you. Speaking of the voodoo wings, here's some we made earlier over here. This is Orla. Can you tell us what's going on?
Yeah, we've got 12 small voodoo costumes, and then we've got 2 bigger stilters. They're going to be wearing bigger versions of these wings. So,
okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And then maybe you can take us down to Paul and what's happening here.
So, I'm using this raffia as well. I'm cutting it up into small pieces and gluing it onto either side of this tape to go towards this fly costume to replicate fur. So, and it'll be worn by a performer on the day.
Okay, and Orla, can you tell us a bit more about the fly costume maybe, or is that also a trade secret?
No, it's no secret really. It's just, I think there's something like 8 of them, and they're kind of comical looking characters. You know, they're basically supposed to be kind of going around annoying people on the street. You know, that's kind of what was said.
As flies do.
So yeah, we've collaborated with Costume Upstairs. They've made like a nice little furry cape, and then we were just making kind of an oversized head worn by the performer. So it's kind of cartoony looking character. So, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. And just finally, how are things going? We're a few days out from the day itself.
Good. I mean, we have the last minute kind of rush on at the moment, but I think we're on track. You know, there's always the last push, the last couple of days, but that's to be expected. So yeah, it's good.
Great.
Yeah.